decorated, looking like Christmas, and now it is time that we make it smell like Christmas as well. Hello and welcome back, or welcome if you are new. My name is Lisa and we are making a Christmas Crock-Pot Potpourri. This easy Christmas potpourri mix will have your house smelling so inviting. You're going to add 3 cinnamon sticks, half a bag of fresh cranberries, sliced oranges, whole cloves, bay leaves, and fresh cut pine, either from around your home outside or you can find it at your local florist. You'll add it all to the crock pot, cover it with water, set it to simmer, and enjoy the fragrance of Christmas filling your home. Thank you all so much for being here to watch this Christmas Crock-Pot Potpourri video today. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I will get back to you. I invite you to join me again tomorrow for another Vlogmas video. Hope to see you there. And until then, I hope you have the most wonderful and blessed day. And I look forward to seeing you on here again real soon.